I think do a little bit more. One of my favorite songs. Probably one of my favorite flowers. So if you ever want to give me a lei, this is the lei that I want you to give to me. Not the one that they're wearing. I want you to present to me the lei Pua Keniken. Mapua. Mapuhala ho'oheno I ka pori Lani ke ha'i kai ke aka maka No ka lei aloha lei Bua keni keni Kou hia ai A me kou ho'i No ka lei aloha nei Ua keni keni Kou hia ai A me kou ho'i
Ka
pua keni keni noa. Eia no kapuana o ke no kalei pua keni keni noa. No kalei pua keni keni Song entitled Lei Pua Keni Keni. No kalei pua keni keni no. Mahalo, ladies and gentlemen, for being here today to help celebrate this wonderful free occasion. Well, we thank the city for inviting the halau on behalf of Sunny Ching, Kumuhula, Lopaka de Vera Kumuhula, the men and women, the keiki of halau na mamopu on the hulu. Mahalo nui, awiho, aloha, we leave you with this song.
Nani vale pua na hulu I ka iu ai na kani kaula na uu kini kini Nani vale pua na hulu I ka
It's the land of famousness.
Kaulana kini kini Uwaheluia na puana Ona hulu kapaia ko inoa
Well, you can see the many of Anohulu. We call out to you, Pu'u Anohulu. We ask you to hear our call. So we shall scatter our love amongst the place. Oh, it's a yellow feathered vocal bird that reminds us of our past and of our future. So we share this song with all of you, and we thank you for being here this morning. To all the parents that brought their kids down early, make sure you take them to the water park. And favorites are you, Pu'u Anohulu, on the island of Hawaii. Mahalo nui loa.
Kaulana ko inoa puana hulu Kaulana ko inoa puana hulu Kaulana ko inoa puana hulu
From all of us to all of you, a warm
Aloha. Hoki.
Hello, Namamo Puanahulu. Oh, come on, folks, don't stop. That was beautiful. Woo! Wow. Well, you know the good part. No more pressure, no more competition. You just enjoy. Just enjoy. They shared with you their spirit after competition. It's so beautiful.